Hello and welcome, Greg here from Crew Volkswagen dealership, showing you today this fantastic looking and approved used Volkswagen Touareg Black Edition, finished here in Tamarind brown metallic paint. Before we continue, make sure to check out the description below as it's absolutely packed full of factory fitted extras. Key equipment highlights will include the stylish Matrix LED adaptive headlights in the front with an illuminated grille, whilst around the side optionally upgraded 21-inch Leeds black diamond alloy wheels will finish off the look. In the rear the story is no different, with signature shaped full LED taillights with a light bar as well as illuminated Volkswagen logo. For easy access there is a power operated liftgate with keyless entry and start, and this model even has been fitted with a power folding turbo with trailer assist. Passengers inside the cabin will certainly enjoy this gorgeous Savannah leather Varenna upholstery with seating for three, with even rear passengers enjoying their own two-zone climate control all underneath the sunroof. Whilst in the front the story is no different, with multicolour ambient lighting and stylish decorative door and dash inserts, whilst the front seats offer electric and massage functionality. The driver can look forward to operating this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifts and heated steering wheel, and the digital cockpit up ahead can display various information such as a host of active safety systems to protect junior occupants, satellite navigation with a maximised view, and there's so much more on offer with selectable music and Bluetooth all at your fingertips. Additionally, there's head-up display available, which is projected directly onto the windscreen, displaying key information whilst on the move. But the real treat here is this 15-inch InnoVision cockpit with permanent climate control functions below. Sub-menu will unlock easy-to-pair Bluetooth telephony, as well as convenience of FM and DAB digital radio. Numerous vehicle settings are on offer to customize this Touareg further, and also various other vehicle system settings. If that wasn't enough, you can easily enjoy your music and radio reception with additional media source inputs, and the built-in sunroof can be displayed simultaneously on both screens. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto is also available, as is the upgraded Dynaudio premium sound system, which will certainly appeal to the music fans amongst you. Plenty more to enjoy with this vehicle, with an area view parking camera offering visibility all around the vehicle, and there's also many other vehicle functions on offer, such as the assistance I mentioned earlier. Two-zone climate control is also available with heated and cooled front seats and even a heated steering wheel. While selectable drive modes are on offer, and even bespoke 4Motion all-wheel drive guide modes. Whilst overhead you'll find easy controls to operate the electric sunshade blind, revealing that stunning panoramic sunroof. This has been a presentation of the approved used Volkswagen Touareg Black Edition that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.